This is the side plank. We're going to strengthen our entire side of our body. So what we're going to do is come down on the mat. We're going to put our elbow in alignment with our shoulder. So you can ball your fist or bring it down just so you can have some type of stability. And then you want to make sure your feet are together. And what we're going to do is lift up, arm up, just like this. That way we're strengthening shoulder, the entire side of your body, which is your obliques, and strengthening your legs. And you're going to hold it here as long as you can and build up strength. Now, if you're a beginner or new at this and this is too much pressure on your shoulder or your elbow, you want to make sure that you cross your leg, bend your knee right here, and then you're going to bring it up. This puts less pressure, less stress on the joints. You're not lifting as much weight, but you're still able to do it. You can put your foot down or make it harder. You can put it up, hand up, just like this, and then release. So it's really easy to do as long as you start building strength, slow and controlled. Try not to go all out. What I don't want you to see is when you go up, you curve too much. People will go out like this. You want to make sure nice, straight plane with the body, like this, or like this. And that is the side plank.